Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace both Banks Sensor 1 O2 sensors in a Nissan 350z. It's really easy to do actually. You don't need many tools, so I'll show you the process. So the first step is just to lift the vehicle. So next step, we're going to start in the engine bay. We're going to unplug the sensors first. And these might be in a slightly different location, but since I already did it already, I made it easier for myself for the next time. But I'll show you what it looks like. So this is where the wire is for the O2 sensor. They'll have this gray little locking clip, and to unlock that is you can just like pry on it. You might need a screwdriver for this. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. But basically, right there, you just pry and that unlocks it. And then you can pull that sensor out. So the first one is here. And then the second one is right, that gray clip right there. So, also side note, because I already done this before, I'm pretty sure they're attached to this bracket, so you might have to pry up on that. There might be a little push tab on it, or it might be most likely it's just a push tab to unlock it, but you might have to do that. After that, just take the plug and feed it down there, so when you get the sensor loose, you can just pull it right out. So this is all you're going to need, is this 90-degree O2 sensor socket tool, and then a ratchet, and then what I use, because my other long ratchet is too long, so I just put a socket and an extension on, which I'm going to put over the ratchet to get a little bit more leverage on it. But that's all you need, and you can remove both O2 sensors like that. So I'm underneath the car now. If you look at the catalytic converter on the passenger side, just follow that up and you'll find the sensor one right there. So we're going to remove that first. All you do is, I just set the tool on there like that, and you have a little bit of space. It's not that much space, but you'll be able to loosen it from there. So when you have it on, you can kind of see it over there. This is the setup, and then you have just enough space to get it loose. So when it breaks free, just take them off. And since my car is basically rust free, which makes it a lot easier, you should be able to just loosen it by hand. And you might have to pull the wire down so it spins easier. And then it'll come out just like that. So that's one down. I'll go work on the other side. This side's a little bit easier. There's a little bit more access. It's right there, so we'll work on that next. So here is the other sensor. It's loose now, so just loosen it up or get it out of there, and it's out. So next we'll put in the new ones. So I have the new to me sensors right here. I'm gonna put them in now. So basically both sensors are the same, so it doesn't matter which side you put them on. So just twist them in and then snug them up, and then we'll deal with the wire after that. So both sensors are now tightened up. Just tighten it with the ratchet. You don't have to use that much torque with it, so just use that. And then when you're still down here, you want to feed these wires back up into the engine bay on both sides. So now just grab them from the engine bay. It's right here. plug them back into the harness right here, and then push that locking clip over it, and then you're all done. It's that simple.